Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuir. In this class, we will discuss about permutations examples on order. So in our previous classes, we discussed the basics of permutations and combinations. Here, we are going to use those basics. Please watch our previous classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's take given three characters x, y, z. From these three characters, we need to identify total permutations possible which contain x before y. So this is a different case. We have not done these type of examples up to now. So let's try to understand what this case is. X before y means, see here, three characters are there. What are those? X, y, z. What are the total permutations that are possible? Three characters can be placed in three positions in 3 factorial ways. Those permutations are x, y, z, x, z, y, z, x, y, z, y, x, y, x, z, y, z, x. Total 6 possibilities are there, 3 factorial ways. But we need the permutations that contains x before y. What's that mean? X before y. X before y. So you need to understand this. X before y means x comes first, after that y. In between you can have elements. It is not compulsory to follow x followed by y. X should come first, after that y should come. In between you can have any number of elements. This is what we need to identify. Z, x before y. So how many possibilities are there? Only 3 possibilities are there. So how to solve this type of questions? Let's try to understand them with an example. Let's take this. These type of examples are solved using selections. First, total how many positions are there? 3 positions are there. From these 3 positions, you have to select 2. How many ways you are going to select 2 positions? Select 2 positions out of 3 positions. 3C2 ways. What are those ways? First position, second position, first position, third position, second position, third position. These are the possible selections of the positions. Means we selected 2 positions. Total how many ways? 3C2 ways. In these 2 positions, you fix x and y according to your requirement. First place x, after that y. So once you selected 2 positions, what are the remaining positions? 1 position is remaining. So fix x, y, whatever the order you needed. These positions are fixed. You cannot change them because x should be placed before y. So remaining 1 position filled with 1 element. X and y is used. What is the remaining element? Z is the remaining element. That element can be placed in 1 position in 1 factorial ways. In 1 factorial ways. So total possibilities are 3C2 selections multiplied by 1 factorial. That is equal to 3. So total possibilities you are going to get. We do one more example for better understanding. Given the characters EX, AM, PL, Y. From this we need to find the permutations that contain ovals in ascending order. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements are there. In these 7 elements, how many vowels are there? 2 vowels are there, A and E. These should be in ascending order. Ascending order means A comes first, after that E in the dictionary order. Means you can place A here, you can place E here. It's okay. In between you can have elements. You can place A here, you can place E here. You can place A here, E here. Any way you can place, but you have to check the arrangement. A comes first, after that E. So total 7 positions are there. From this we need to pick 2 positions. How many ways you are going to select 2 positions out of 7? 7C2 ways. In these 2 positions, fix the A and E. Once you fix A and E, how many remaining elements are there? A and E is fixed. Remaining 5 elements are there. These 5 elements are placed in these 5 positions in 5 factorial ways. So total 7C2 multiplied by 5 factorial. This is the output. For better understanding, we do with repetitions. Take the word permutation. In this we are having T repeated twice. So find all arrangements means permutations containing ovals in ascending order. So total how many elements are there in permutations? Permutation 11 elements are there. In this 11 elements, how many vowels are there? A is there, E is there, I, O, U. This is the sequence you have to place. A, E, I, O, U should be placed in ascending order. So from the 11 positions, 5 positions selected out of 11 positions. So from this 11 positions, you can select any 5 of them. This is one of the selection. A, E, I, O, U. Remaining 6 positions. So how many ways to select this 5 positions out of 11 positions? Here we are doing selections. 11C5 ways are there. 11C5 selections. Once you selected those positions, fix that A, E, I, O, U. Remaining 6 positions filled with remaining 6 characters, but repetition is there. So we already know the formula. If repetition is there, 6 factorial by 2 factorial, because T is repeated 2 times. So total possible ways is 11C5 multiplied by 6 factorial by 2 factorial. This is the total permutations possible. Hope you understand these examples. In our next class, we are going to do some complex examples on this. Please try to understand them better. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.